Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy and tasty, paprika eggs. And this recipe is great hot or cold. As normal, our fullest ingredients are on screen now. Okay, the first thing we do is make the spice mix. In a small bowl, add the salt, paprika, onion powder, white pepper, garlic powder, and as many chili flakes as you like into a small bowl and mix together. And when you've done this, it's time to boil some eggs. And you do know how to boil some eggs, don't you? But just for the record, we put ours in for 7.5 minutes and straight into a nice cold bath. Then remove the shells and reserve. And then you're ready to cook. To do this, simply put a pan on some heat and add in the butter. When the butter's melted, turn the heat to low and add the eggs. Continue to fry until the eggs start to take some colour. The more colour the better. When this is done, it's time to add in the spice mix. Use as much as or as little as you want. But the major thing here is not to leave them in the hot butter too long, as they'll burn and go bitter. This should only take about a minute or two, and then you're ready to serve. So simply put the eggs in a suitably sized dish and pour over that lovely paprika butter. With all this butter, you could hardly call this a dish for slimmers, but it is tasty. It's not too good for people who are watching their cholesterol either, but such is life. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.